When you or a loved one needs money fast, Ria makes it simple to send emergency funds internationally. First, open the Ria app or visit their website and log in or create an account. You'll need your personal information and a valid ID, which helps you speed up the verification process. Next, enter the amount you want to send and choose the country where your recipient is located. Ria will show you available delivery options: bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. For emergencies, cash pickup is often the best because your recipient can get the money within minutes at a nearby Ria location. Select your payment method. If you're sending funds quickly, paying by debit or credit card usually completes the transaction fastest, sometimes almost instantly. Once you confirm everything, Ria will provide a reference code and details of the pickup location. Make sure to send these to the recipient right away. Your recipient can head to the designated Ria location, present their ID and reference code, and collect the funds on the spot. That's it. Money sent and received in just minutes, giving peace of mind in urgent situations. If this helped you learn how to send emergency funds money through Ria, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it.